So would you rather I move it here?
Because like if we put it on the garage, then we can make it so that it goes through the top and goes through the back, and then we can go around.
Okay.
And if we put it on this one, then it
Which building?
Probably this one.
Alright. So we need to know where our station is going to be.
Station.
Power station.
Power station.
Yes.
How about we put on power station in one of the garages?
Which garage?
That one.
Because remember that the power station needs to be at window, and it needs to be able to be powered. It will get all the wires inside.
Yeah.
Right?
No load shedding, I hope.
Hello judges, my name is Adelaide Hendrickse and this is Alex Dodd. We are part of AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy. We are proud to be the youngest participants of the Nemisa, the Data Science Hackathon.
We have built a smart city that allows the government to collect actionable data that will allow them to make better and informed decisions.
These are sound sensors. What they do is they detect sound around the area. For an example, if it's too noisy in an area, the sound sensor will detect the sound and the light will go on. Then authorities will come around and inspect what's going on around the area.
We have built street lamps with a light detector. When it is dark, the light will turn on. When it is daytime, the lights will turn off. This can be used to make sure the government can save electricity.
So basically the team's concept is all about collecting actionable data across the town, using sensors around the areas like, as Alex has shown you, using light sensors. This allows you to continuously measure visibility in an area because they measure visibility. So say there is high air pollution. So if there is high air pollution in an area, these street lights will always be on, and that can actually show government that the visibility in the area is very, very low. And the sensors do collect data, and they store this data in a server where it comes out in form of charts, and over time government can take that data and use it for actionable for action to solve certain problems, perhaps be it something like pollution, be it power usage, so on and so forth. And what we have here on top of the houses, because these are houses, is sound sensors. So some areas are noisy, even parks sometimes, as you can see here on this park. So even parks sometimes are noisy. And one of the problems which government is facing is, this noise gets so much over time, and there is nothing there is no plan as to what to do with that noise. So with these sound sensors, you can actually start detecting sounds across town, and you would know the more noisy places, and you would know less noisy places. How does that help? That helps with reduction of unwanted noise. Let's say there's parties and all that, you would know when there's parties which are not supposed to be there. Or it would help when you are trying to build something like a forest. We know that forests don't like a lot of noise. Well, when you want to build a road, so on and so forth. So these sound sensors also capture noise levels, continuously capture noise levels. So that allows government also to over time capture data. What we have here is our electric hub. This is a Wi-Fi module. So what the project was going to do is it was going to capture data from all these sensors, and it was going to store it in a server, and it was going to allow that data to be taken out and be analyzed over time in a certain way. So be analyzed in a way that can be understood by people or by government, and they can take action. The reason why we went this way, or the reason why the team went this way, is because it is very important to check first how you collect the data before you can analyze data. Some data which is collected is unreliable, so we need to make sure that we always collect reliable data. And we believe that with smart cities, because this is the smart city concept, with smart cities, over time, we can actually start collecting actionable data in an actionable way, and government can take decisions from that data. Thank you. We are Team AlgoAtWork.